Hey, Brandon. How long have you wanted chickens?
I mean, if I think back to my childhood, I would say just ballparking here, but never wanted chickens.
Never wanted chickens?
Never in my memories do I recall having wanted chickens.
How long have you been putting together a chicken run today?
Oh, just today, 2.5 hours, 2 hours, 4 minutes. Yeah.
Looks good.
I have no idea if I'm like 50% done or 20% done or 2. I don't know. Maybe I'm 80. I don't know.
Well, you're doing a good job.
But I'm busy.